Over here.
Hi, Julianne Pepitone with CNN. I reported earlier today on a bug in Facebook that deleted some users' accounts saying that they were in violation of terms of service when in fact they were legitimate accounts. I was wondering if you have any further information on that and whether it's at all related to Facebook's messaging system and if you're concerned about those kinds of bugs for the messaging system going forward.
Yeah. I don't have any new information on that. I apologize to those users for that. My understanding of that was that it was a bug. It was not related to messages. It's unfortunate, but I think we were able to get them all back on the site.
Great. Over here.
Hi, my name is Francois. I am CEO of myerp.com. And Facebook moved 500 million friends into the cloud. What should trigger 500 million small business to move to the cloud with Facebook?
A little help.
Did you say, you want to...
I need a translator for this side of the room.
He said 500 million people are on the platform. How could you get 500 million businesses on the platform? Is that what you said?
Correct.
Yes. In other words, are you interested in getting businesses on the platform as well as people?
Yeah, and I mean, we have this whole Pages product, right? That's
it's
very
mainly
widely
focused
used.
on pretty big brands, isn't it?
I mean, I think that the biggest brands have the biggest followings, but
right.
And there's, I don't know, I don't want to give any incorrect stats, but there's a lot of Pages that are small businesses or different entities that are pretty small.
Are you interested in the business social graph?
Yeah,
I got to ask that because
Jeff
Jeff Wiener's coming tomorrow, and I'm sure he's
business
interested.
social graph, you mean professional connections between people?
Or between businesses. I'm asking because he asked.
I don't know what that means.
Well, businesses do business with each other all the time.
Yeah.
Okay,
I mean,
we'll move on.
That's, yeah.
Thank you for the question. I failed at translating it.
No, it's cool. I'm just having a hard time hearing on this side of the room.
We have seen key functionality from Facebook move outside of Facebook to a degree. You know, with the API, with the like button available in different pages. Is it going to be Facebook as a destination in your mind, or Facebook as an enabler?
Well, I think the first chapter has definitely been building out Facebook the application, right? The site that people use every day. The long term, if you buy my vision and what I hope plays out over the next 5 years of just having all these different verticals get rethought by brilliant entrepreneurs in these different areas, will be that the vast majority of the social ecosystem will not be Facebook, but we will help those businesses get built, right? Because they're going to be able to focus on doing what they do well, right? And then they can just plug in the social part. And if we do that, then I think we'll be enabling, right? To use your words, and that I think is a bigger long-term opportunity, right? I mean, I don't think that. You know, I mean, actually, I like this map that you have up here, but my first instinct was, your map's wrong. Because,
of course it's wrong, it's version 1.
Because I think that the biggest part of the map has got to be the uncharted territory, right? And, I mean, one of the best things about the technology industry is that it's not zero-sum, right? I mean, this makes it seem like it's zero-sum, right? In order to take territory, you have to be taking territory from someone else. But I think one of the best things is it's like we're building real value in the world, not just taking value from other companies.
Yeah, absolutely, but there are a lot of companies that are starting to act that way. You're totally right, though.
Yeah, I think our point is, that we see a lot of companies acting as if it is a zero-sum game, and that seems to be framing the debate, and it's refreshing to hear you say that.
So I mean, anyhow, that's our view. I mean, our view is not only that it should expand, but that we should enable it to expand, and that our best strategy and the best thing for the web would be for us to enable the next kind of set of entrepreneurs to go build all those great businesses and discover that, and not even try to do it ourselves, because I don't think we can. I think we do a few things very well, and we're going to keep on trying to do those very well, because even those things are at the beginning.
That's a great argument for why you're going to win. If you stick to that.
I'm getting like the absolute... Stop it! You're so far over. We have a sponsor reception.
Yeah, I think we're like -25.
Yeah, we're I didn't. You know, we have a lot of people in the room. I don't know how far the live stream is probably busting the servers. But there's a woman who's been waiting for so long. Last question. Make it quick.
Mobile social, we're right at the beginning. Can you give us some risk-taking things that Facebook can do to move this space forward fast?
The mobile space?
Mobile social.
Well, I mean, just a couple of weeks ago, we announced a few things, right, that we thought were kind of key building blocks for the social platform, right? One was single sign-on, right? Now, it's actually amazing how signing into an app and creating an account on mobile is so difficult, right? I mean, even using Connect previously was very difficult because you click Connect and then you had to enter your Facebook password for each app. And it turns out that remembering your password is actually pretty difficult on mobile because it's all about muscle memory, not actually remembering the string that you
And if you're driving, it's really hard.
Yeah, well, that I won't even get to. But so single sign-on now. And this is a good example of non-zero-sum things. We weren't able to do this until recently. You could on Android, you couldn't on iPhone until Apple built fast app switching. And then because they built that, we were now able to create this functionality where any developer can put Connect into their app, and as long as you have the Facebook app, you no longer need to authenticate. All you do is click a button, and you're in. And now that app has access to your public information. It can ask you for other information if it wants. That, I think, is a really foundational building block for good mobile apps. Another is just location information. Right? I mean, we aren't trying to build Places, the app. We're trying to build Places, the location platform that anyone can plug into, both from a read and a write perspective, so that way your apps can all be location enabled, right? And not only do you know who a person's friends are, but you know where they are and who's around you. And that's really powerful. And then the third was the deals thing, which again is also a platform where the goal was not like, okay, we're going to go sell some deals. There should be an economic platform and engine that anyone can plug into, and we want to enable that on mobile as well. So, I don't know, mobile's, it's a really interesting space now. I think what we've found is, already so many people use Facebook on mobile. It's more than 200 million mobile users. But really, the mobile platform, I think, is just getting started. And some of those type things and things like that going forward, and that kind of collaboration between these different companies is going to enable really good things over the next few years.
Well, please join me in thanking Mark for taking so much of his time and talking to us. Thank you very much.